Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone. Make sure the OS and Chrome are updated because compatibility matters. Once done, sign into your Google account on the device so passwords sync. Next, open Settings, tap Google, select Autofill, and pick Autofill with Google. This activates Google Password Manager for apps and sites. Do this now so saved credentials become available system-wide. Make sure you allow necessary permissions when prompted, which lets autofill detect login fields. Now focus on saving and using passwords. Enable the Offer to Save Passwords toggle in Chrome or within Google autofill settings so credentials are captured automatically. When you sign into a website or app, choose Save when prompted. Google Password Manager stores the entry and syncs across devices. To fill logins, tap the username field and select the suggested credential from the keyboard or autofill dropdown. You can also open Chrome settings or passwords. Google Com to view or edit entries for security. Finish by managing and securing your saved passwords. Open Chrome settings or passwords. Google Com to edit or remove entries and turn on biometric unlock in autofill settings so only you can fill credentials. If autofill doesn't appear, first clear Chrome cache and restart the phone. Then make sure Autofill with Google is still selected. If problems persist, sign out of Google on the device and sign back in to force a resync. This quick reset fixes most sync and visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.